cross action. This is the new place where I work, and I'll give you a quick tour here. Reception. Offices. Ooh, almost crashed. And Jody just happened to be here. This is the place where Jody hangs out when he comes and visits Tom Moon, his friend, and where they take care of the magazines and all the magazine bikes and so on. And this side is the racing side. We have the KTM off-road team is on this side, as you can see on the side. Our little meeting room. And here's where we work on engines. We have 3 people building engines. This is the place where they do their job. The mechanics work. Each guy is in the workstation, Marvin Muskin's bike. And here we have the suspension department. Mark Johnson is our main guy here. He keeps the suspension in tune. That's cleaning area. Here we have a little machine shop. When we don't have the time to go for other people to build things for us, we do it ourselves here. Dynos, one that is designated for off-road, and then one that is designated for the supercross motocross team. And the right one is basically a roll dyno, but you know, we put a complete bike on here and check out what it does. And show you my little office. Storage area. This is my corner here, or our corner, my desk, Casey, and Ian. Don't have a lot of coffees yet, but I'm planning to change that next year. Thanks guys.